You are welcome to Christmas with Mr. Osita. In this video, we'll be talking about simple algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a system of computation whereby symbols and letters are used to represent numbers. In my previous video, we talked about finding the unknown by equation. In this video, we'll be talking about collection of like terms. Now let's look at the board. Look at the example on the board. We have example, simplify the following. Now we are collecting like terms. Now we have 6s plus 5y plus 2y minus 3y plus 2x. Now what we say, we have 6s plus 2x plus 2x. We have 6s plus 2s plus 2x. So we'll say 6x plus 2x plus 2x. Now we have written the one that are having s first. So what we'll do now is to write the ones that are having y. Now we have plus 5y and minus 3y. That is the only numbers that are carrying y there. We have plus 4y and minus 3y. So we'll write plus 5y minus 3y. Now we are done with the collection of like terms. Now what we will do is to subtract and or add. Now we have 6s plus 2x, that is 8x. Then plus 2s will give us 10x. So 6s plus 2s plus 2s will give us total of what? 10x. Plus 5y minus 3y will give you 2y. So this becomes your answer. We've simplified. So let's look at example 2. In example 2, it's given that we should find the perimeter of the shape below, and this is a rectangle. Now the perimeter, the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle is P is equal to length plus length plus breadth. Now we have two methods of finding the perimeter of a rectangle. We have the formula as 2 bracket L plus B, but we are not using that one. Rather, we are using length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That's the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle. And what is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around a shape. Now, a distance around a shape, which means the distance, the length here is given as 3n, and the breadth here is given as 4p. And we have it, the perimeter of a rectangle is L plus B plus length plus breadth. Therefore, we have 3n plus the breadth 4p, and we have the opposite side of a rectangle are equal. Here is also 3n plus 3n, and the opposite side of a rectangle is equal. The breadth will be equal plus 4p. So we can now add. But before we add, what we should do? What do? We collect like terms. Now, collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have 3n plus 3n. We have 3n plus 3n, and we have plus 4p plus 4p equals 3n plus 3n will give us 6n, plus 4p plus 4p will give us 8p. This becomes the perimeter. So for the perimeter of this rectangle becomes 6n plus 8p. Now let's look at the evaluation question. So the evaluation questions, we have simplify 3m plus 12 plus 3m minus 7 minus 3m. You collect the like terms and you add. The same thing here, simplify 5a plus 4b minus 2b plus 3a. You collect the like terms and add. Now number 3, we have find the perimeter of this shape below. Find the perimeter of the shape below. So we have this rectangle. S plus 4 is the length and S plus 1 is the breadth. Remember that the formula for finding the perimeter of this rectangle is P equals L plus B plus L plus B, or 2 brackets L plus B. Follow the steps I use in solving this and you'll get these answers right. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share and like the video.